Hi friends, this video shows how to remove Canon EF-EOS lens and EF-EOS R mount adapter together from Canon R series camera body. So here you can see, here I am using this Canon EOS R50 mirrorless camera. So here I have connected this EF-EOS 55 to 250 mm lens on this R series camera body using this mount adapter. Okay, so I will show you how we can remove this remove both mount adapter and lens together. So here on this camera body, here we can see one button. This is a button for detach lens from the camera body. We have to press and hold this button, then rotate this mount adapter in anti-clockwise direction. Press and hold that button, then rotate this mount adapter in anti-clockwise direction. See, so this way we can remove this mount adapter and EF-EOS lens together from the camera body. So if you want to detach this lens from this adapter, we can use this locking mechanism. We have to pull this down, then rotate this lens in anti-clockwise direction. See, so this way we can detach lens from the mount adapter. Okay, so if you want to attach, we can attach it like this. Just align these white marks, then rotate this lens in clockwise direction. Then I am going to attach this mount adapter on this camera. Here we can see one red mark. Here also we can see one red mark. We have to align these red marks, then rotate this adapter in clockwise direction until we hear a tick sound. Done. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.